a gift card on carding application at high rates. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also turn on your notification because when I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. If you have any question, write in the comment section. Now go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for this application called Carding. Download it, and after you download it, open it, guys. It's on Play Store, it's on Apple Store, and download it. After you download it, open it, guys, and when you open it, it's going to look like this. Click any option down here. Click any option down here like this. Just click any option and it's going to go take you to this interface, and you can see down here, you can see not yet register, sign up. Click on it, click on sign up, and you can see email. You can see sign up, you can see email, you can see phone number. You can decide if to register with your Gmail or your phone number. You can see this is phone number, this is Gmail. Now, the first thing you are going to do is to select your country. You select your country, Nigeria. Then put your functional Gmail here. Do you understand? Because you are going to receive a code with it. Put your functional Gmail here. The next thing you can see verification code. Leave it first and jump to where it says password, input password. Now put your password here. Make sure you start with capital letter like this. Let's say Godson. For example, Godson. Add number at the back and any symbol like this. You understand? Or any symbol like this, any symbol like this. You understand? Now you can see confirm password. Repeat your password here. And after that, the next thing is your invitation code. Put this invitation code to register. Although the invitation code is optional, but if you use this invitation code, you are going to get a welcome bonus of 3,000 naira, and they are going to reward me as well. But if you didn't use it, you are not going to get a welcome bonus, and they are not going to reward me. So I would say, please use it. Do you understand right now? So after you put this invitation code, the next thing you are going to do is go back to where it says verification code, and you can see at the front of it, you can see send. Tap on that send, and immediately you tap on that send, they are going to send code to your Gmail or your phone number, depend on which one you use. Do you understand right now? Now take that code and put it here before it expires. Then after you put it there, click on sign up and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log into my own account and show you how to sell your gift card on carding application at high rates. Let me log in and we continue, guys. Guys, I've logged in right now, and the next thing you're going to do, you can see down here, you can see home, sell, transaction. Click on sell. Then you can see category. Click on it and select the categories of gift card you want to sell. Do you understand right now? Let's say Steam, for example, Steam. I'm going to select it, and you can see country. Click on country and select the country of your gift card. I'm going to select USA, for example. And you can see balance. The next one, please enter the card balance. Let's say my card is $100. You write your own there. Physical card. Let me tell you, physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store. And a code is a gift card that someone buy at on a website. So that is e-code. So they are just going to send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is the code. I'm going to select physical. And the next one you can see is code. You can see, please enter the code. Optional. Which means they're asking you to put your gift card code here and just click on save. But if you have the image of your gift card, that is why I say optional. If you have the image of your gift card on your phone, you just click on this box and you go to upload from gallery. Just select the image of your gift card and upload it. After you upload it, just click on save. And in a few seconds, it will say success, and you can see this amount. This amount will be available on your balance when you go to home like this. This amount will be available here. The next thing is to withdraw your money to your bank account, and this is what you are going to do. You can see this 3 line up here, Godwin. Click on this 3 line, and you can see wallet. Click on wallet, and you can see add bank card. Click on add bank card. Select on the bank you are using, or Nigerian bank card there. Order name, the name on your bank, write it there. Then you can see, please enter your account number. Click it and enter your account number. Then login password. Write your carding password there and click on submit, and your bank will be added successfully. After that, come back here and click on withdraw. Write the amount you want to withdraw and click on confirm to withdraw, and your money will deliver to your bank account without any delay. Sharp. So this is how to sell gift card on carding application at high rate, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also share it. If you have any question, write in the comment section, guys, and I will answer you. Thank you.